Welcome guys, today I will show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Motorola Edge 70. Follow these steps to successfully set up Face Unlock. Open Settings app, go down and choose Security and Privacy chapter. Here, pick Device Unlock part and Face and Fingerprint Unlock. So before you will able to set up Face Unlock, you should set up other type of screen lock like PIN, password or pattern. Okay, now you can choose which notifications you will see on screen lock, and now you're able to add Face Unlock. Here is a little guide for you. Now you have a few more options to choose here. Okay, and now I will do this. Here we go. Face Unlock is active. Simply press done. And now you know how to set up Face Unlock on Motorola Edge 70. You can use it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and if you have some questions, comment below. Thank you. Goodbye.